Hello! I wanted to come and show you guys how I actually retighten my hair. Please don't mind this little thing sticking out. But if you want to see how I retighten my hair, you can go ahead and continue watching to see. This is it all done. I just have a lot of baby hair that I don't necessarily like to pull out of my scalp pulling in here, but this is actually done. So keep watching to see how I got this all done.
So what you're looking at now is just my hair that's not really finished. As you can see, I still have the top left, but I'm going to turn around just so you can kind of see what the back looked like. It's all kind of done. Lifting it up just so you can see. You can still see my twist pattern, obviously, because it hasn't been super duper long. So I washed it, and then now I've been kind of doing it through the week, just retightening. So what I'm going to do is show you what the tool I've been using. I got this from Michael's. You can get this anywhere where you have knitting kind of needles, I guess. And I'm going to take my hair tie and pull my hair back, just because I don't like my hair being in the way, because you can get them all entangled. So I'm going to take the one that's in the front just so you can kind of see what that kind of looks like. And please don't mind my scalp, it's really dry because I did not put anything in my hair when I finished washing it. So I'm going to take it, kind of separate, make sure I have all the hairs that I need that's supposed to be in that one lock. So you see I'm trying to kind of look in the mirror a little bit, and then what I'm going to do is fold it in half and put it through this needle. And I like about half of the actual lock to be in there, or a twist. So what I'm doing is just kind of showing you that I'm putting it through the needle, threading it, if you will, and then pulling it to the side. Ta-da! Half of it's in there. So what I'm going to do is just go underneath, pull up so that I can get the hair. I'm going a little fast here, but kind of go in from different sides. I kind of did like 3 different points. What I'm doing is just pushing the needle through, pulling up so I'm closer to where it's actually a little locked, and then pulling the hair through. If I feel like it's slipping, I'll take it out and then just kind of put it back into the needle so I can continue doing that. And I just keep doing it until I come down to the root. Now, what I've noticed with doing my hair is that I sometimes do it a little too tight, and I regret it after. So I've been trying to consciously make sure that I'm not pulling it too tight, because I don't want it like all the way to the scalp where there's no room for it to actually like sit and breathe. It's just really uncomfortable. I'm just doing that all the way until I can get down to the scalp. As you can see, just keep going, just keep threading, just keep threading. Ta-da! That's done. There it is. And that's one of them. Yay! So you can kind of see what it looks like there. And then I'm going to actually try to get it at least one more, because I think it's a little loose. So I can just do out 1 or 2 more of these loops, pull throughs. I think the one was actually good enough for that, so I just kind of left it. And now I'm going to kind of show you what it's like to do it again. I'm not going to talk through this process because it's the same thing. Yet again, nothing in my scalp, just kind of dry, so please bear with me. All right. So I'm done with that one, obviously. So you can see I have the rest of that top to go. And that should only take me an afternoon to do. And then afterwards, ta-da! Here it is! After eons, this is what the product looks like. Obviously, it moves a little bit more. You can actually see the parts. I'm going to put it up in a bun in a second just so you can kind of see it. Usually when I wear it down, I like to tuck my hairs behind my ear just so that I don't look like, I don't know, the ring or something with my hair all just drooping to the front. So that's what that looks like. This is so great. It's so awesome. Thought it would never happen. So put it in a bun just so you can see that I do have parts. You can see my parts now. I look like a human being. It's wonderful. See all my little baby hairs I don't like to stick into the actual lock. Then the back, you can see my, what is it called? BDBs? I don't care. I'm not a stickler too much for having it too neat, so I love it just this way.
So that is it. That's how I retightened my hair. I think I've had it in for, what, a month or two now? I'm not even sure. I have to definitely double check on that to see. But yeah, it's pretty much done. It actually took me like a week. It shouldn't have taken that long. It probably should have took only about a day or something, but I work and I'm lazy and I had a headache this week. There was just so many different factors as to why I didn't get it done as fast as I could have. But if you haven't noticed, the back is a little bit I wouldn't say like smaller, but my hair texture is a little bit different in the back than it is in the front, so it did take a little longer to kind of get used to that. But anyways, yeah, I really like it. I hope you liked my video. And stay tuned to whatever else I can possibly come up with to share about my hair.